Alright guys, this is Brooke with Gig Outdoors here today. I'm going to show you my public land run and gun setup. I've tried a lot of different options out there, and what I've found is the Lone Wolf system is by far the best. So what I got going on today is my Lone Wolf Assault that I've customized and did some things to, and then also my Lone Wolf climbing sticks that I've added stealth strips to as well. So I'm going to show you a quick video. I'm not going to go that high, just to show you how to hang and hunt. And do a setup. And the key is on public land when you're doing this, you want to do it quick, but at the same time you want to be safe. So alignment's belt is by far your best friend when it comes to this. So stick with me and watch how I do this. So alright guys, so one key thing when you're doing this run and gun, hunt and hang setup, you need to realize that your first step should be high. I always start it up higher than I probably realistically can do. So realistically, I'm gonna just for the video purpose show you what I mean. So get it on there, just this, get it on there pretty good. Go ahead and adjust your platform steps, how you're gonna do it. I alternate mine, makes most sense. Then grab this, put down on there, locked in place. Usually I typically put it up even higher when I'm doing a hang and hunt. For the simple fact, trying to get as much height as I can. But for this purpose, this is a good enough height. But you can see that stick is solid. A lot of other sticks will mark it, but not many clip and hold on to that tree as much as a Lone Wolf. So stick with me. Alright guys, so I'm up here on this platform. You can see this tree is not very straight. That's the nice thing about lone wolves, you can put them in any tree. I first adjusted this down there to get my level on my platform to level, and I adjusted my seat as well. These things are rock solid. Put them in a tree, they're here. No ratchet straps, just your regular straps. Kind of push it into action, it holds steady. It's a quiet setup and good. And as you can see, it only took me about 6 minutes to do this setup. Obviously I can go faster sometimes, but for video purposes I was trying to show you the proper way to do it. With that being said, typically I have 4 sticks, but for this setup I just did 3 just to show you. But typically I spread them out further as well. But just for this video I wanted to make it all work out well. So with four sticks, I'm about 5'10". I can typically get about 20 to 21 feet. Depends what tree and how high I can start off of it. A lot of times I'll look for a tree with a big stump or a down tree right next to it. That gives me an extra, 2 feet that I can get up as well. So this is Brooke with Gig Outdoors and how to hang a lone wolf setup. This is my run and gun setup. As you can see, I got some different features on this stand that I'll talk about more in a future video. So appreciate you watching. Thanks for watching Brooke with Gig Outdoors.